So how long it takes, how long it takes for a person who is new to Tai Chi, who wanted to learn to become, to beginner to intermediate level?
You okay? You can. Oh, I would beginner to intermediate, probably maybe 2 years, 3 years.
So
Uh,
lots of patience required. Pa- Patience,
in, it's not so much that it requires. Well, it requires a good teacher, but it requires practice. Your body has to learn to move in a very different way. Ordinarily in ordinary life, we use one hand and then we use the other hand, and we don't think about our body, we don't think about our feet, we don't think about our hips. In Tai Chi, the hands do not move independent of the body. In fact, the higher level Tai Chi, your hands and arms don't move. Your body moves, and the body moves your hands. So the power comes from inside your body. So you have to train your body to move and think, and it's takes, and some people it takes many years because you really have to train your body to do different things. Even though it's seemingly not that difficult, you're moving slowly, you're moving like very gracefully. You're shifting weight from one leg to another leg. Your body's turning, or going from left to right, whatever. But it takes just to go from beginner to intermediate about 2, 3 years. To really begin to understand Tai Chi
yes.
takes about 10 years.
Oh my God.
But 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 think about this for a minute. Are you familiar with yoga?
Yeah, a little bit.
Okay. I had a woman I worked for who studied yoga for many, many years. And she told me her her guru, her teacher told her the same thing. It takes about 10 years to begin, just to begin
Just to
to
begin.
understand yoga. So you can do yoga from day one, but to really begin to understand what you're doing takes about 10 years.